Hello penny pickers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the best penny stocks to buy that are under $1.50. 5 of them are up very big in January 2021. So we're going to be diving into these and checking out these penny stocks and see if they have potential to be bought right now. Let's get into it. So the first penny stock that's trading under $1.50 right now is going to be a penny stock that is actually under $1. It's going to be Guardian Health Science. So if you're looking for a cheap penny stock right now, those that are traded under $1 are amongst the cheapest. Keep in mind that the lower the price, the higher the volatility in most cases. So Guardian Health Science is one of the cheaper stocks on this list. Over the last few months, GHSI has continued to climb, after hitting 52-week lows in November. It also hasn't been a small rebound. It's actually jumped up a lot since then. So since then, GHSI shares have climbed from just 16 cents to highs of about $1.04. So that's over a 600-700% gain right there. The company produces various products for use in the medical food and medical device industry. Its products include Lumega Z, glucosedin, and others. These medical foods provide vision aiding benefits to patients. Additionally, the company has several medical devices in its pipeline, such as its Vector Vision CSV-1000 and MapCat SF. The majority of what Guardian is working on is involving ocular health. So right now, the company's Lumega Z is a near-term focus. It's being developed for an adult market as a vision health and support product. It's also being formulated as a vision, attention, and energy drink for the youth market. The angle for the energy drink is to target customers in video gaming and other close-up device viewing markets. The initial round of testing has been completed, according to Guardian. Why this could be a near-term point of focus is that the final round is expected to finish by the end of this quarter, so we could see some huge news coming out, in the beginning of 2021. So this stock was up about 1.67% on Friday at the close, or about 1 cent. So it's currently trading at 63 cents. Short-term, mid-term, long-term analysts have this one as very bullish. So this stock was trading at around 16 cents per share, like we said, and then we had highs of about $1.04. So that is a huge jump of about 600-700% gain just in the past 2 months. So this stock is on fire right now, and it's catching momentum. So we can see here volume picked up 56 million shares. We had 224 million shares. 262 million shares, and currently we're trading at around 10 to 15 million shares daily. We're making a little bit of a pullback, so we're going to be hoping for it to bounce off of this previous resistance area that we had in the previous time, which was about 55 cents. That's going to be our current support level. So previous resistance levels are now our new support levels. So around that 55 cents area is where we're going to be looking for a bounce. Hopefully it does not go lower than that, because then we have to look at the next support around 40 cents. But we're going to be looking for a continuation and volume to continue to run, and this penny stock to continue its little bit of a run up. As always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you viewing this video, and I appreciate you guys for everything you do. So go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get over 250 likes on this video in the first 24 hours of its being up. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. We're hitting all-time highs every single day. We're close to 13,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you very much for supporting my channel, guys. It really does mean a lot to me. Our second penny stock pick is going to be another one under $1.50. It's going to be INPX. So there could be a few things to keep in mind, both technical and fundamental on this one. On the fundamental side of things, INPX has released recent updates that have acted as catalysts early on. First, the company announced the latest release of its indoor security solution, INPX Aware. The platform is built for organizations to implement for helping with decision making, designed to help corporate enterprises and governmental agencies combat theft of confidential information and to enhance safety and operational efficiency. This includes providing visibility into the location of wireless devices, people, and critical assets within indoor spaces. Now, earlier this week, the company was actually awarded for its portfolio of IoT solutions. This has helped act as a trigger for momentum to continue. However, for those looking at technicals, you'll see that INPX has tested a key level of historic resistance at its 200-day moving average. It's been well over a year since INPX shares managed to break and hold above this level. In light of this, will it remain a stock to watch, or is another consolidation coming? This stock was up about 7.56%. Ticker symbol INPX, as you can see on the screen right there. So it was up about 9 cents, currently at $1.28. Once again, short term, mid term, long term, analysts have this one on very bullish. So we can see right here, this stock has been bouncing off, around this $1 level pretty much for 3 or 4 months now, and that's the previous support from last year. That's where our support level was. So we haven't been able to break that pretty much for the past year. So what we're going to be looking forward to is for it to continue that move up. As you can see, it's been moving up about 10-15 cents in the past few weeks. So volume is around 4 million to 5 million shares daily. What we're going to be looking for is to break through, hopefully with some, as that positive news, we just had that award, so it can continue to run up. Hopefully we can break this resistance at around $1.40 that I see. If we can break through that, we continue to go all the way up to about $2 until we hit that next resistance, and hopefully volume is going to be able to push that one up for us and continue to run up into January and as well as 2021. So definitely one to keep an eye out on, as we could have some good potential, as the stock has not been moving for a long time. The number 3 penny stock on the list is going to be Modus GI Holdings. So another one of the penny stocks under $1.50 is going to be Modus GI. Similar to INPX, Modus has been on the move recently. In fact, since the beginning of November, shares of Modus stock have jumped as much as 71% after hitting highs of $1.25 this week. So the company provides endoscope solutions to diagnose and manage gastrointestinal conditions. After a few quarters of bearishness, Q3 looks like it revealed some renewed momentum. In fact, Tim Morton, the CEO of Modus GI, pointed out that during Q3, we saw that these hospitals have ramped up inpatient colonoscopy volumes to approximately 80 to 90% of pre-pandemic levels. Moving forward, we believe that we can start to achieve sustainable procedure volumes at target accounts, and we expect to see a continuation of our progress and momentum into the fourth quarter. In light of this, the market has rallied behind the penny stock. This week, that rally has continued as Modus announced approval from DERCA, EU notified body for enhancements for its Pure-VU Gene 2 system. They said that these enhancements were introduced to commercialize customers in the U.S. during the fourth quarter of 2020. It comes shortly after Modus announced that the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office and the European Patent Office issued 2 new patents for further protect the Pure-VU in these markets. So MOTES is going to be ticker symbol Modus GI Holdings. This stock was about 5 cents, up on Friday, trading at $1.13. Short term, mid term, long term. Once again, analysts are very bullish on this stock. So a lot of these penny stocks are very bullish going into 2021. Penny stocks have been, on everybody's eye in the recent, weeks. So as we were looking right here, pre-pandemic levels, we were trading at 60 cents, and right here, we saw it, bouncing at this 70 cents area right there. Continue, run up all the way to about $1.20. Then we made a little bit of a pullback, and now we're going to be looking forward for it to break through that resistance at around $1.25 that we see, and continue our run up all the way to about $1.50 until we hit that next resistance and continue to run after that. So volume has been picking up, about 500,000 shares, 1 million shares daily now, compared to before where we were trading about 100,000 shares to 200 shares. So this one we're going to keep an eye out on in the next few weeks to see what happens with it, as the stock has some good news behind it, and hopefully the momentum will push this penny stock further on up and break through new highs going forward. The number 4 penny stock on our list is going to be Conformis Inc. So the past 30 days have seen shares of CFMS shoot up over 60%, which is quite substantial. Conformis Inc. operates as a specialty biotech business. It designs and manufactures a large range of products that help those who have had joint replacements. This includes iTotal PS, a replacement ligament system, as well as iUni, a full knee replacement product. While this is a specialty market, the demand for these products seems to be enough to support a healthy balance sheet. Last week, Conformis Inc. announced that it would be reporting its fourth quarter results as well as its full 2020 financial results in the beginning of March. So we have about, another month or two before that happens. Ahead of this, let's take a look at its Q3 2020 financial results. In the third quarter, which ended on September 30th, CFMS announced revenue of $16 million. While this is a decrease of around 7% year over year, this makes sense given the effect of the pandemic. Obviously, a lot of companies lost a lot of revenue. Mark Augusti, CEO of Conformis, stated that we were pleased to see a continued resumption of primary joint replacement surgery during the third quarter. Given the challenges of managing through the pandemic, I am particularly pleased to see the gross margin improved over the last year. The hopes are that this type of surgery will begin to resume as the pandemic lessens in severity with the vaccine distribution. With Q4 earnings coming in March, will CFMS be on your list of penny stocks to watch? So this one CFMS is the ticker symbol. The stock was up about 17.3% on Friday at the close, trading at $1.22 right now. Once again, analysts, short-term, mid-term, long-term, very, very bullish. So every single penny stock we've had on this list is very, very bullish by these analysts. So there's huge potential in these penny stocks. They're just extraordinary potential right now. So this stock was trading at around 60 cents about 2 months ago. We saw volume here pick up 27 million shares, after their earnings and all that other stuff. Momentum started to pick up. So it went from 64 cents all the way to about 86 cents. And then we saw here last week more volume, about 5 to 6 million shares. The stock went from 86 cents to a high of about $1.04, and now we're trading at $1.22 actually. So in the past month and a half, we went up over 100% already. So we have huge potential for this to continue to run up and break through new resistances. So if we can break through this resistance right here of about $1.20 where we're at right now, if we can break through that resistance and continue to run up, this stock could go all the way up to about $1.50 before hitting our next resistance and continuing our run up with more volume, more positive news. This is definitely one to keep an eye out on throughout January 2021. Last but not least on our list of cheap penny stock is going to be number 5, and it's going to be NOVN Inc. So the company of NOVN has been focusing on advancing its platform known as Nitrosil. This nitric oxide-based tech platform allows for the treatment of wide varieties of illnesses. In fact, towards the end of the last year, NOVN announced a master service agreement with Catalent, its intranasal drug, berdazimer sodium for the Rona. So Catalent works as a provider of drug delivery technologies, including those used in the biologics and gene therapies. The agreement supports certain development activities for the formulation. So here's a quote right here by the CEO. Following the initial positive in vitro results that we announced earlier, we believe berdazimer sodium has the potential to offer benefits in inhibiting the replication of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes the Rona, and we look forward to further exploring its potential. Now, given the interest in the Rona-related stocks, NOVN could be one to watch as investors shift focus from vaccines to preventative treatments. So we've discussed this many times actually in the past few weeks, but this stock, NOVN, currently up about 27% on Friday, so about 27 cents, currently trading at $1.27, so it's made about a 27% gain like we said. So this stock, I see very, very big potential in this one because I've dived into this one in the previous times and done a lot of research on this penny stock, and it's actually one of my favorite picks in this video. Short term, mid term, long term, once again, analysts have this one very bullish. Can you believe that these analysts have all these penny stocks on very, very bullish? That just tells you that there's so much potential in these penny stocks in the next year. And if we're looking right here, volume, dramatically increased, 150 million shares. We're trading 10, 20 million shares every single day compared to 2 to 5 million in the previous times. The stock has went up from 47 cents to highs of $1.27. So almost 200% gain just in about a month or two, and that's something we're going to be looking forward to continue. We're going to be hoping for this to continue. As we can see, we're at that previous resistance area, and if we can break through that resistance area, we could continue to run up all the way to about $2 or higher, as long as we have more positive data, more positive news, especially with the Rona not going away anytime soon. Even though we have these vaccines with Moderna and Pfizer, we're going to be looking for other alternative ways to prevent it and stay safe and healthy, and that's where NOVN Inc. comes in, and a lot of these other biotech penny stocks that we've discussed in recent weeks. So will this one be on your buy list? Let me know in the comments below. Now, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just for educational purposes. We are just looking at some potential penny stocks that are under $1.50 with big movements, happening in January, and that could potentially continue. Before investing into any type of stocks, you should talk to your financial advisor, do your own research. And as always, guys, if you guys are interested in trading any stocks, you guys can check my links out in the description. We have Webull, M1 Finance, Robinhood. Get your 4 free stocks when you sign up with Webull today and deposit your first $100 into it. Also, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get 250 likes on this video in the first 24 hours. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification for more videos like this. Leave a comment below. Are you looking at any of these penny stocks, or what penny stocks have you traded in the recent weeks? And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.